Good morning. Welcome to the Cobb County Sheriff's Office Visitor Center. I'm Captain Garrett, and this is one of the areas that I oversee. In the Visitor Center, you are able to get information about a friend or a family member in custody and also about overall Sheriff's Office functions. You can also bond someone out of custody, and you can visit someone that's in custody. Hi there, Captain Garrett here again, and I am at the Visitor Center with our commissary kiosks. Now, what is a commissary kiosk? An individual in custody can order from our commissary one time per week, and those items are anything from hygiene items, lotions to like contact solution, all the way to snacks that they want to supplement their meals here with. So you can come to the Visitor Center here and use cash or a credit card to add funds to their inmate account. Very easy to use. They're touch screen. The important thing to know is if you are going to use a card, the kiosk will charge you a fee. If you use cash, there is no fee associated, but there is no change given from the machine. So if you have a $20 bill and only want to use $10 to the kiosk, that's not going to be possible here. You'll need to use the full $20 or bring smaller bills with you. The final tip for you on these machines is that please pay close attention to the identifying information of the individual that you are going to put funds on their account. We all know that individuals' names, date of birth may be very close together or similar, so make sure it's the person that you actually want to receive the money that you've selected. And finally, this is only for the commissary. So if you would like to put funds on the inmate's account to be able to make phone calls, you'll need to reach out to GTL at connectnetwork.com. If you have any further questions, please go to our website, www.cobbsheriff.org, or better yet, download the Cobb County Sheriff's Office app on your smart device for all bonding questions and all other Sheriff's Office related information.